Brush technique, mastering the art in English language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of phrases, particularly focusing on the term brush technique. Understanding phrases like this not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you a glimpse into the nuances of the English language. Let's explore brush technique together. Brush technique is a phrase that is often used in contexts beyond its literal meaning. Literally, it refers to the method or skill of using a brush, particularly in art or painting. However, metaphorically, it can imply a refined, skilled, or delicate approach to doing something. In this section, we will explore its literal and metaphorical uses with examples. In the literal sense, brush technique is all about the art of using a brush. This could be in painting, makeup, or even hairstyling. We'll look at how this term is used in different fields, focusing on the precision and skill required in each. When used metaphorically, brush technique can describe a nuanced way of handling situations or tasks. It suggests a level of finesse and delicacy. We'll see how this interpretation applies in various contexts, such as in conversation, management, or even in culinary arts. Understanding phrases like brush technique is crucial for English language learners. It not only helps in enriching your vocabulary but also aids in understanding the cultural and contextual nuances of the language. We'll discuss why such knowledge is essential for language proficiency. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the term brush technique in both its literal and metaphorical senses. Remember, language is an art, and every phrase you learn is like adding another color to your palette. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be painting with words like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.